Hi guys, welcome back to Alphamantraining.com. So I'm driving to fuck a girl, which I seduced on same day lay. So same day lay turned to long-term relationship. That's what amazing. What's waiting for you. I did today squats, so it was heavy. I was alone in a gym, so I didn't have a partner who can look up after me, and couldn't do heavy weight because it's risky. So I felt pain in a back, my back, lower back. So she said that she has some cream or something like that. So she is using on knees when she's running, and she's feeling some pain on her knees. So she's using that cream, and the pain disappears. So actually I will try this drug, and maybe it will help me out. So look, once you will make same day lay, whenever you call to her, she will come to your apartment, or you will go and will meet here at her apartment. She will help out to you. She will want to be in long-term relationship with you. Everything is amazing. If, for example, you're going on a date and you trying to seduce her in the 5 dates, nothing will work out, because it's too long. It's too long. You need to install a new habit to seduce her on the same day. That's the key. Because look what is happening. I'm driving, and whenever I call, I came after gym. After I was driving after gym, I was calling her and saying, "What's your plans for tonight?" And she's saying, just nothing, I'm lazy. And this is amazing. That's same day lays are the key, and you should delete the habit to take her number. You should always try to make same day lay, to seduce her on the same day no matter what. That's the new habit which we are training in our books and DVDs. Same day bang version 2 DVD, same day bang version 1, from a project of 5 different girls, version 1, version 2. You must watch them, learn, and never do same mistakes, and new results are waiting for you. So after my next meal, I have maybe 1 hour and 30 minutes. So I will go, we'll meet here, we'll drink tea, we'll talk, and after 1 hour I will drive home, and we'll eat once again. So when the next bus stop, I'm jumping off from a bus. Life is amazing. I went to a gym, was alone in a gym, and played my music. Was amazing atmosphere because my music was playing. And also I had a dance lesson today. A female came and I trained here how to dance. Was awesome also. This dance training I turned to same day bang. For me it doesn't matter. For us doesn't matter, and for you also would never matter. To get those $40 for a lesson and to maintain a client. No, you turn to social ninja and you make same day bang. It's better. Next time she will come, she will pay for a lesson, and we will fuck too. It's much more better like this. So I wish you an amazing day. Go to alphamantraining.com products, read our book, watch DVDs, and never afraid. Invest.